For more anatomy related videos, please subscribe to my channel, Learn with Dr. Tanya Hashik.
Hello everyone. In this video we will continue the anatomy of lungs. In the previous classes we have already discussed about the lobes and also features of the lungs. So now we will discuss about the bronchial tree and also the bronchopulmonary segments. So first we will discuss about the bronchial tree. So this is the trachea. Trachea, it bifurcates, that is it divides into right and left principal bronchi at the level of the lower border of the fourth thoracic vertebra. So this is the right principal bronchi and this is the left principal bronchi. So the right principal bronchi, it is wider as well as shorter compared to the left principal bronchi, and it is in line with the trachea. So the dust particles which is inhaled, it can directly goes into the right lungs rather than to the left lungs. So the right lung, it gets infected easily compared to the left lung. So the right principal bronchi, it is about 2.5 centimeter and the left principal bronchi, it is about 5 centimeter in long. So it is longer as well as it is narrower. So each of the principal bronchus, that is the right and the left principal bronchus, it enters the lungs through the hilum. So through the hilum, the right and left bronchus, it enters the lungs, and again it divides into the secondary lobar bronchi. So this is the secondary lobar bronchi. So this is the right lung and this is the left lung. So right lung, it has got 3 lobes, hence it has got 3 secondary lobar bronchi. So one here and another here. So, and the left lung, it has only got 2 lobes. So it has only got 2 secondary lobar bronchi. So this is one and this is the another. So the principal bronchi, it enters the lungs and again divides into secondary lobar bronchi, and the right lung, it has got 3 lobes, hence it has got 3 secondary lobar bronchi, and the left lung, it has only got 2 secondary lobar bronchi. So each of the secondary lobar bronchi, it divides again into tertiary or segmental bronchi. So these are the segmental bronchi which supplies each of the bronchopulmonary segments, that is right and left lung, it has got 10 bronchopulmonary segments each. So each of the tertiary or the segmental bronchi, it supplies the bronchopulmonary segments of the lungs. So each of these segmental bronchi gives small branches and they are called as the terminal bronchioles. In this figure you cannot see terminal bronchioles. So each of these segmental bronchi, it again give branches, smaller branches called the terminal bronchioles, and much smaller branches, they are called as the respiratory bronchioles. And each of these respiratory bronchioles, it aerates a small part of the lungs, and that is called as the pulmonary unit. So this segmental bronchi, it gives small branches called as the terminal bronchioles, and much smaller branches, they are called as the respiratory bronchioles, which aerates a smaller part of the lungs, and that part is called as the pulmonary unit. And finally these respiratory bronchioles, it ends up in microscopic passages called as the alveolar ducts, atria, air sacules, pulmonary alveoli, etc. And the gas exchange takes place here. So now we will discuss about the bronchopulmonary segments. So what are these bronchopulmonary segments? They are well defined anatomical, surgical as well as functional sectors of the lungs. And both the right and left lung, it has got 10 bronchopulmonary segments. So first we will discuss about the bronchopulmonary segments of the right lung. It has got 3 lobes. So each of these lobes, it has got bronchopulmonary segment. So the upper lobe, it has got 3 segments. Middle lobe, it has got 2 segments. And the lower lobe, it has got 5 bronchopulmonary segments. So the upper lobe, it has got an apical, posterior and also anterior bronchopulmonary segment. Next is the middle lobe. It has got lateral and also medial bronchopulmonary segment. And the lower lobe, it has got 5 bronchopulmonary segments. So one is the superior. Next is the medial bronchopulmonary segment. It cannot be seen in the costal surface. It can only be seen in the medial surface. So this is a medial basal bronchopulmonary segment. And next is the anterior basal bronchopulmonary segment, lateral basal bronchopulmonary segment and also posterior basal bronchopulmonary segment. So this is the segments of the right lung. Next is the left lung. And left lung, it has also got 10 bronchopulmonary segments, but it has only got 2 lobes. That is the upper lobe and also the lower lobe. So the upper, it has got apical. So this is the apical, posterior, anterior. Next is the superior lingula and also inferior lingula. So this is the superior lingula and this is the inferior lingula. So this is the division of the upper lobe. So upper lobe, it is again divided into an upper division and also a lower division. And the upper division, it has got apical, posterior, anterior. And the lower division, it has got the superior and lingular and also inferior lingular. And next is the lower lobe. So lower lobe, it has also got 5 bronchopulmonary segments. So they are the superior, medial basal. You cannot see it on the costal surface. You can only see in the medial surface. So again they are the anterior basal, lateral basal and also posterior basal. So these are the bronchopulmonary segments of the left lung. So what is the speciality of these bronchopulmonary segments? Each of these segments, it has got a tertiary or segmental bronchi. So each of these bronchopulmonary segment has got tertiary or segmental bronchi, and each segment, it is pyramid in shape. So each of the segment, it is pyramidal in shape with apex directed towards the root. So in this figure you can see that each of the segment, it has got pyramid shape with apex directed towards the root. And each of these segment, it has got a segmental artery, autonomic nerves and also lymph vessels. And the veins, it lies in between the connective tissues adjacent to the pulmonary units of the bronchopulmonary segment. So each of these segments, it has got segmental bronchus, segmental artery, autonomic nerves and also lymph vessels. And the segmental veins, it lies in between the connective tissues between the adjacent pulmonary units of the bronchopulmonary segments. This is the end of today's video.
This is the end of today's video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.